That's awesome.
And say Dad. And Daddy and Money. I'm going to get that Money.
She just carries this great big piano across the room.
That's my girl.
Strong girl.
Boy.
That was awesome.
Good job, Amber.
Nice playing and singing.
My turn. Daddy, this one's for you. This one's for Amber. This one's for me. My turn. This one's for Daddy. My turn.
Guys, I'm taking a video for Granny because it's her birthday.
What do you say to Granny? Say happy birthday, Granny!
Happy birthday, Granny!
Kid says happy birthday. Happy birthday, Granny.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Granny!
Amber and Ebony, stop fighting, please.
Happy birthday, Granny!
You can let her have a turn.
Happy birthday, Granny! Happy birthday, Granny! Happy birthday, Granny!
Watch out, she'll knock you over with her voluptuous bottom. That was the fakest cry I ever saw.
Birthday, Granny. Happy birthday, Granny.
Happy birthday, Granny. Hey, Kayla.
Ebony, you can share. Okay, play Happy Birthday song and sing Happy Birthday. Amber, how about you stand up and sing and Ebony plays Happy Birthday. Amber, you'll get a turn. Oh, you're not giving her a turn.
Are you all going to sing together?
Yay! That was awesome. Say bye, Granny. I love you.
Bye, Granny. I love you. Bye, Granny. Bye, happy birthday to her. Happy birthday to you, Granny. Happy birthday to you. Cricket.
Is that it, Gage?
What?
Are you going to finish your song?
Yeah.
Okay. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hooray. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip. Hooray.
Say bye, Granny. I love you, Mom. Happy birthday.